Homeowners associations. Can CCNRs prohibit the construction or use of an ADU or JADU? Nope, 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 nope. They can make you have it looky feely, matchy matchy on the architectural style, but they cannot have impose unusual restrictions or unreasonable costs. And they're pretty specific about this. So any delay in reviewing an ADU is a violation. Requiring an alteration to an ADU or JDU application that would cause the property owner to incur substantial costs is a violation. Imposing a condition that would necessitate reapplying or amending a building permit that substantially applies to state ADU laws. Mandating that neighboring property owners must approve or agree to you having a JDU, not allowed. Restricting the placement or location that would make it unfeasible. Requiring major structural elements, not cool. Imposing restrictions that are not objective or not knowable or available to the property owners in advance of submitting the applications. And then levying excessive fees. So all the ways that homeowners associations are trying to get around ADUs. And by the way, your HOAs, homeowners associations, can also be fined for violations of state law, and that's a $50,000 fine. Can an HOA review or influence a local agency's ministerial review process to create or serve an ADU or JDU? No. An HOA may not influence a local agency's ministerial approval. Local agencies must provide an approval process that only includes ministerial provisions for approval of the ADU permit application. This approval shall not include discretionary processes, provisions, or requirements. So in other words, you either fit the construct of an ADU, but you cannot provide subjective input from anybody. It's approved or it's not. There's no ifs, ands, or buts.